Water, a unique liquid. Hello, children. We know that water is a life-giving liquid. It is unique in nature. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Pure water is tasteless, colorless, and odorless. Water exists in 3 states, that is, solid, liquid, and gas. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. It turns into ice at this temperature. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. It changes into steam at this temperature. Water has no shape of its own. It acquires the shape of the vessel it occupies. Water has no color of its own. It acquires the color of the substance that is dissolved in it. It becomes orange on adding orange squash to it. When tea leaves are added to the boiling water, it becomes brownish. Many substances such as salt, sugar, juice, and color mix in water to form solutions. Substances that do not mix with water either float on it or sink in it. A stone sinks in the water, and things like paper boards, leaves, and petals float on water. Hope you have understood all concepts.